Bye, Daddy.
Tiga buat drive ya.
Yeah.
Jatuh always okay. Was the pedestrian?
Yes, Dad.
Revisiting.
Okay. Bye, Mommy. See you later. Love you. So I made it to campus, and now I'm walking to the SU because that's where I meet my friends. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 5. It's day 5 of Vlogmas, and I wonder if they can hear the toilets. I have to talk kind of quietly because we're the quiet study. Is this even quiet study? Oh, just kidding, it's not quiet study. Yeah, it's just not loud here. Yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing as usual. I'll pick up Brandon, go to school, do my thing. I'll see you guys after class. So. Oh my gosh, this is even lower. Like if I sit up. Okay, we'll keep it here then. This still looks really ugly. Maybe I should just stand up. Wow. I'm getting kind of embarrassed. I have chemistry and I think that's it. Yeah. I have chemistry. Today I need to go run errands with my dad again because that's my life. No, it's not really my life. My grandpa needs a new toilet. My grandparents need a new toilet. If you guys can hear the bathrooms, it's because we're right next to the bathroom. I have a feeling that you can hear it. Where did all these people come from? And that's it. Catch you guys after class. I can't do peace signs because Charmey does peace signs. Bye. Ouch! This is a cool angle, not gonna lie.
What do you want me to do? I'm going in a straight line.
I got a banana, and mine is pretty long too. This is my hand. This is at the bottom of the banana. Look how much I have left. Yet again, my hands are small. So, that's what I just wanted to say. I'm out of class as well. Ha! You thought. Okay, stop. Okay, we're gonna go home now and do homework. So deuces. It is 5:11 now, and we are waiting for my mom to come home so that we can go out to dinner since it is Thursday. Me and Charmey are not playing tonight because I need to start doing some things for finals, like writing papers that are due tomorrow. One class I already finished, like I'm done with everything. I'm officially done with that class. For English, I just need to do these. I just need to do, where is it? Right here. 3 reading responses that are 2 pages each, and an analytical paper. So after I do that, I'm done with English. Then Monday, I have a Japanese and kinesiology final. And then on Saturday, not this Saturday, but next Saturday, I have an in-person final for chemistry. And after that, I'm done with my semester. Hey guys, so I am home obviously, and I woke up from a nap. So yeah, I'm gonna be finishing up my personal essay. So almost done. I just keep rereading it and then I don't like how it sounds, so I keep changing it. So that's why it takes forever to finish this. I want to listen to Posty so bad, but then I know I'm gonna get distracted. But let's give it a try. Play Post. Oh.
Oh, my Wi-Fi. I'm on the wrong Wi-Fi. That's why it's not playing.
I've had some problems picking out classes for next semester because basically I need to take biology, but biology, they allow 198 students to take the lecture and only 192 students are allowed to take a lab. And it's one of those classes where you can't do the lecture without the lab. I was trying to switch my professor because, bros, I'm gonna show you. There are two professors that I could take. Honestly, I don't care if I expose them because guess what? You guys suck. So you go to rate my professor, if I can spell rate right. This is the professor I have now. It says there's two professors, like right here. But he's the main one. I had him for a class before. Yeah, didn't like him at all. This guy I've never had before, so obviously the first thing I did was go to rate my professor. And this is his rating, a 2.2. If you guys have never been on Rate My Professor, this is what it means. Right there. So basically he's poor, like very poor.
Sorry that you can't get hold of me. Now you know my life, I'm so relieved. You should keep them close, now they're dead to me. Money tend to show other tendencies.
Then go to this dude, who I had before, and he's literally not any better. A 2.8, which sucks even more.
And I still hear the echoes. I got a feeling that it's time to let it go.
On Mondays and Wednesdays. And he's even earlier. Like, it's even an earlier class. So, you type in this guy. 3.8. A whole one whatever better than all my other professors. And look, even a 64% of people would take the class again. So his class right now is open, which means I can enroll. But all these labs are either waitlisted or closed. So I can't take it.
Paper like a Michael Scott. I could do things you man cannot. Sad boy coming down on him, I'm hot. Everybody say that I gotta be stopped.
And I emailed my thing asking if they're gonna open more. And they said no, and I was like, okay, well, that's stupid. Like, I was about to go rant to somebody.
Diamonds in my chain gold. Every 20 minutes change clothes. Yeah. I said money made me do it, and I say, yeah. I said money made me do it, watch me, yeah.
So that's where I am. Don't know what to do. That's my life right now. Yeah? Yes?
We've made it to dinner. Everybody's
Sitting.
Hey guys, so me and my mom came back from church and now we're having dinner. We're cooking dinner is what I meant. So I'm gonna have spaghetti for dinner. What are you having, Mom? My mom's having bread pudding. She made it yesterday, but somehow it all went missing. Wow, it's like having a facial. So the meat is cooked. And I'm gonna add in the sauce now. Prego! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So the sauce is warmed up. We don't have Parmesan cheese. I thought we did. But we have the ones for the pizzas. So I'm gonna use that. So, it's my spaghetti. And the bread pudding is in the oven right there. The small oven. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner now. Bye. How do I turn this off? Ding. Okay, I have to pick that up.
Very good. Very good.
Oh my gosh.
It's now 11:30 or closer to 11:40, but I'm gonna head to bed because I need to wake up early so that I can get my English stuff done.
I'm gonna end it here because it's already 12 o'clock.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
And hit the bell to be notified when we post our next video. Bye!
Bye guys. Wanna say good night?
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.